I use it. I use it. I use it every day. I use it every day. Use this. It's no use. It's no use. Can I use it? May I use this? May I use this? Can I use your pen? Can I use your pen? Use my place. Use my place. Please use it. Please use it. I can't use it. I can't use it. I don't use it. I don't use it. I am used to it. I am used to it. Don't use my pen. Don't use my pen. Don't use that word. Don't use that word. Come again anytime. Come again anytime. Is there any danger? Is there any danger? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? I don't need any help. I don't need any help. Don't make any noise. Don't make any noise. I can't eat anymore. I can't eat anymore. Do you have any money? Do you have any money? I don't have any money. I don't have any money. See. Let me see. Let me see. See you again. See you again. See you later. See you later. Can I see that one? Can I see that one? I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I want to see the movie. I want to see the movie. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? See you tomorrow at the library. See you tomorrow at the library. Many friends came to see me off. Many friends came to see me off. Like. I like winter. I like winter. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Do you like music? Do you like music? I really like you. I really like you. This car is like new. This car is like new. I don't like studying. I don't like studying. I really like city life. I really like city life. Would you like to dance? Would you like to dance? Work. Don't work too hard. Don't work too hard. Does he go to work by bus? Does he go to work by bus? I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. Now. I must go now. I must go now. I have to go now. I have to go now. Now it's time to say good night. Now it's time to say good night. Such. I made no such promise. I made no such promise. Most. Most people think so. Most people think so. I'm at home most of the day. I'm at home most of the day. I spend most of my time at home. I spend most of my time at home. What's his most recent novel? What's his most recent novel? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.